Hi, I'm Sarah Blanchard. I'm a physician assistant and I am working at Audubon in the cardiothoracic surgery department. I work primarily in the OR, assisting a surgeon in cases like a coronary artery bypass graft, fixing valves, some aneurysm repair. Being a physician assistant in the OR is very captivating. You work as a first assist. I primarily harvest vein grafts in the leg, and the surgeon will use that to create a graft, a bypass graft in the heart. It's fast-paced, it's incredibly specialized, and it requires an immense amount of technique. Working in this particular field is extremely rewarding. Being able to see the patient recover and adjust back to their normal lives is incredibly rewarding. In my free time, I like exercising, baking, and spending time with my dog and my family.